Yo, what's up everyone? It's Alex Inspirational back again with Oiche Cyber Tech Solution. And today we're diving headfirst into the world of AI. Now, AI is everywhere these days, from those smart assistants in your phones to the algorithms suggesting your next favorite video. But like any powerful tool, there's a right way and a not so right way to use it. We've all been there, right? Trying out a new tech gadget only to realize we've been using it wrong the whole time. With AI, those mistakes can sometimes mean missed opportunities, or even, dare I say it, a tech fail for the day. That's why we're breaking down the 10 most common AI mistakes people make, and more importantly, how to avoid them. Whether you're an AI enthusiast, just starting out, or just curious about this tech revolution, this one's for you. So hit that subscribe button, smash the notification bell, and let's get this AI train rolling. All right, let's kick things off with mistake number 1, relying too heavily on AI for decision making. AI tools are incredibly powerful. They can crunch massive amounts of data and come up with insightful predictions, but AI shouldn't be calling all the shots.
It's easy to think AI has all the answers, but it doesn't always have the full context or human touch. Ultimately, you're the boss.
So, how do you strike that perfect balance between AI insights and human judgment? It's all about using AI as a tool to enhance your decision-making, not replace it entirely. Let's say you're an e-commerce business owner and your AI-powered tool suggests a particular product discount based on sales data. Instead of blindly implementing it, take a step back. Does it align with your overall business strategy? Are there any upcoming holidays or external factors the AI might not be aware of?
This is where your human intelligence comes in. You can consider things like brand perception, customer loyalty, and even competitor moves, factors AI might not fully grasp. By combining AI insights with your own analysis, you're essentially creating a feedback loop. You're using the AI's strengths, its data crunching power, and supplementing it with your own understanding of the bigger picture. This way, you're not just following AI blindly, you're making informed decisions that are right for your specific situation.
Now, let's move on to mistake number 2, not training your AI properly. This one's all about setting realistic expectations. AI isn't some magical plug-and-play solution. It's like a talented friend needing guidance to unlock their potential.
Just like we train our bodies at the gym, AI models need their own workout. This workout comes in the form of data, and lots of it. The quality and quantity of data are crucial to its performance.
Now, training your AI isn't a one-time thing. It's an ongoing process, kind of like how software updates keep your phone running smoothly. As you feed your AI more data and it encounters new situations, it needs those updates to refine its understanding and stay sharp.
Think about those customer service chatbots we all interact with. In the beginning, they might sound a bit robotic, providing generic responses. But as they interact with more customers, they can learn from those conversations, understand different phrasing, and even anticipate common questions.
This continuous learning process is what separates a good AI implementation from a great one. Regularly updating your AI with new data, fine-tuning its parameters, and even retraining it on fresh datasets helps it stay relevant and accurate.
Remember, the world of data is constantly changing. New trends emerge, customer preferences shift, and language evolves. By keeping your AI updated and well-fed with data, you're ensuring that it stays ahead of the curve and continues to deliver valuable insights.
All right, so you've got your AI tool all set up. Maybe it's a fancy new chatbot for your website or a slick automation tool for your workflow. But using AI without a clear goal is like using your phone's camera without looking at the viewfinder. You'll end up with blurry shots and missed opportunities.
AI is a powerful tool, but you need to know what you're using it for. Just like any other tool, to get the most out of it, you need a clear purpose. So before you hit that go button, define your goals and watch your AI efforts pay off.
Now, setting goals with AI isn't about writing a novel. It's about being specific and focused. A clear goal would be increasing engagement by 15% in the next quarter.
See the difference? The second goal is measurable and specific, and that specificity makes all the difference.
Let's talk about AI, privacy, and security. We're in a world where data is king and AI thrives on it. But with great data comes great responsibility.
Think about it. AI tools handle sensitive information. Ignoring privacy and security is like leaving your front door wide open.
It's about respecting your users and maintaining their trust. Be aware of the potential risks and take necessary precautions. Ensure your AI tools comply with data privacy regulations. GDPR, CCPA, you know the drill.
Next up, encryption. Protect sensitive data with encryption.
Store data with reputable cloud providers. Limit access to your AI tools.
Stay informed on data privacy.
Look, AI is amazing, it's powerful, it's changing the game, but it's not magic.
One of the biggest mistakes is thinking AI can solve all problems overnight.
AI has its limitations. It's not about to achieve sentience and take over the world.
AI excels at tasks involving patterns, data analysis, and automation, but there are things AI simply can't do well.
Things that require human intuition, creativity, and emotional intelligence. You can't expect AI to write a best-selling novel or compose a symphony.
Misunderstanding AI leads to unrealistic expectations and frustration. It's like expecting your smartphone to make you a gourmet meal.
So, how do you avoid falling into this trap? It's all about understanding AI's strengths and weaknesses. AI excels at tasks that are repetitive, data-heavy, and rule-based.
Think data entry, customer service chatbots, or analyzing large data sets for trends. These are areas where AI can truly shine, freeing up human time for more strategic and creative endeavors.
But for complex problem-solving and nuanced decision-making, humans still have the upper hand.
The key is to find the sweet spot where AI and human intelligence intersect. Use AI to augment our capabilities, not replace them.
All right, so you've set up your AI. It's humming along, maybe even automating some tasks for you. You might be tempted to just let it do its thing, but trust me, you don't want to ghost your AI.
Even the most sophisticated AI isn't a set it and forget it kind of deal. Think of it like a high-performance car. You wouldn't just fuel it up and never take it for maintenance, right?
Over time, parts wear down, settings need adjustments, and you might miss out on crucial software updates that optimize performance.
The same goes for your AI. Data changes, user behavior evolves, and your AI needs regular checkups to make sure it's keeping up.
You've got to keep an eye on its accuracy, its efficiency, and make sure it's still delivering the results you expect. Neglecting your AI's performance is like letting that sports car lose its edge. Before you know it, you're running on fumes, performance drops, and you might even end up with bigger problems down the line. So, how do you actually keep tabs on your AI's performance?
First off, you need to establish clear metrics. What are you measuring? Is it accuracy, speed, efficiency? Having specific benchmarks helps you track progress and identify any red flags.
Most AI tools come with built-in analytics dashboards. Don't let those go to waste. Dive in. Look for trends, anomalies, or any sudden dips in performance. Those are usually telltale signs that something needs tweaking.
Think of it like checking the analytics on your latest video. You're looking at views, watch time, audience engagement. You're using that data to understand what works, what doesn't, and how to improve your content.
Regular monitoring helps you catch those minor issues before they snowball into major problems. It's about staying proactive, making those necessary adjustments, and ensuring your AI continues to perform at its best.
We often think of AI as this perfectly objective system, free from human bias. But AI is built by humans, trained on human data. This data can reflect our own biases.
Imagine training an AI for recruitment. If the dataset features mostly men, the AI might favor male candidates.
That's AI bias in action, with real-world consequences. So, how do we tackle this issue of AI bias? It starts with the data itself. We need to ensure the data we use to train AI is diverse, representative, and free from harmful stereotypes.
Think of it like building a diverse team. You want people from different backgrounds, with different perspectives and experiences, because that leads to better decision-making, more innovative solutions, and a more inclusive environment.
But it goes beyond just the data. We need to audit our AI systems regularly, check for bias in their outputs, and make adjustments as needed. There are tools and techniques specifically designed to detect and mitigate bias, and it's crucial to incorporate them into our AI development process.
Remember, building ethical AI is an ongoing process. It requires vigilance, a commitment to fairness, and a willingness to constantly learn, adapt, and improve. It's about building AI that works for everyone, not just a select few.
The world of AI is constantly evolving. It's like the tech world in fast forward, always innovating, always pushing boundaries. What's cutting edge today might be outdated tomorrow, and if you're not keeping up, you're falling behind.
Think about your phone's operating system. Every year there's a new version with performance improvements, new features, security patches. You wouldn't stick with an older version and miss out on all the good stuff, right?
The same principle applies to your AI tools. Developers are constantly working behind the scenes, refining algorithms, adding new functionalities, and optimizing performance. Skipping updates is like refusing to upgrade your phone. You're missing out on a smoother, faster, and more powerful experience.
Staying updated isn't just about shiny new features, it's about staying ahead of the curve, ensuring compatibility with other systems, and benefiting from the latest advancements in AI technology.
So how do you stay ahead in this ever-changing AI landscape? It's simpler than you might think. Most AI tools have built-in update mechanisms. They'll notify you when a new version is available, making it incredibly easy to stay current.
Think of it like subscribing to your favorite channels. You get notifications when new content drops, so you're always in the loop. Treat your AI tools the same way. Subscribe to their updates, read the release notes, and understand what's new.
Staying updated isn't just about maintenance. It's about unlocking the full potential of your AI tools. Newer versions often come with enhanced accuracy, improved efficiency, and even entirely new capabilities that can revolutionize your workflow.
Remember, the world of AI is dynamic and always moving forward. By embracing updates and improvements, you're not just keeping pace, you're ensuring that your AI tools remain powerful assets in your tech arsenal.
All right, so you're on a roll, using AI to streamline your workflow, boost productivity. It's awesome. But here's the thing. Sometimes you can have too much of a good thing. It's tempting to think AI is the answer to every problem, to automate every single task.
But using AI for absolutely everything can actually make things less efficient. Remember, AI is a tool, and like any tool, it has its strengths and weaknesses.
Some tasks are just better suited for the human touch. Things that require creativity, complex decision-making, or a deep understanding of context. Think of it like this. You wouldn't use a hammer to tighten a screw, right? The same goes for AI. You want to choose the right tool for the job.
So how do you find that balance? First, identify the tasks that AI excels at. Repetitive processes, data analysis, pattern recognition. These are prime candidates for automation.
Next, consider the tasks that require human intuition, creativity, or emotional intelligence. These are usually better left to us humans.
Now let's talk about integration, or rather, the lack of it. One of the biggest mistakes people make with AI is treating it like a separate entity, a lone wolf in their tech ecosystem. They'll use a standalone AI tool for one specific task, but it doesn't communicate with their other systems.
This creates a fragmented workflow. You're constantly switching between platforms, manually transferring data. It's a recipe for inefficiency. Imagine if your smartphone couldn't share photos with your social media apps, or your smartwatch didn't sync with your fitness tracker.
Section 2. Connecting the dots. That's why seamless integration is key. You want your AI tools to play nicely with your existing tech stack. This means looking for AI solutions that offer integrations with the platforms you already use, your CRM, project management tools, marketing automation software, the whole 9 yards.
When your AI tools can talk to each other and share data, that's when the real magic happens. You get a more streamlined workflow, automated data transfer, and ultimately, increased productivity. It's all about building a cohesive tech ecosystem. And there you have it. 10 common mistakes people make when using AI tools and how to avoid them. By keeping these tips in mind, you'll be able to use AI more effectively and avoid the frustrations many users face. Remember, AI is a powerful tool, but it's not a magic bullet. It takes careful planning, thoughtful implementation, and a good understanding of both AI's capabilities and its limitations to truly unlock its potential. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful tech content from Oichi Cyber Tech Solution. Let us know in the comments if you've encountered any of these mistakes and how you overcame them. Outro music fades in. Call to action. Watch our other AI tutorials, subscribe for more AI tips, and follow us on social media for updates.